Hey everyone, today I'm going to be going over the LeetCode problem, same tree. So first, let's read the question. Given the roots of two binary trees, P and Q, write a function to check if they're the same tree or not. So if they're the same or not. And two binary trees are considered the same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. So let's look at a few examples. So in example one, we have these two trees here, and we can see that they are the same, like they're equivalent. But in example two, even though the two trees have the same node values, like 1 and 2, because of the difference in the placement of the nodes, it's not considered the same tree. It's not considered the same. And in example 3, again, even though we have the same total node values, but because the 2 and 1 and the 1 and 2 are switched in here, they're not considered the same. So for this question, all you have to do is just do a pick any tree traversal. There's a few, and run that traversal against both trees, and check if the ordering of the nodes are the same or not. If they're the same, then the trees are equivalent or the same. If they're not the same, then the trees are not the same. So in my case, I'm gonna do BFS, breadth first search, which means that I'll be traversing each tree level by level. And in my case, I'll go left to right. So let me jump into the code. So self.traverse is going to be a helper function that I'm gonna make, which will traverse both trees using BFS. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have an array called nodes that will store the order of the nodes in both tree. So in this case, what I'm doing is I'm popping the in each iteration, I'm popping the first element in my queue. And if this an actual node is i.e. it's not like none or null, then I'm gonna append the node's value to this nodes array. I'm gonna append that node's left and right children to the queue. Otherwise, if this node, if there's like actually no node here, then nodes will append none. And this is very important because if you look at example 2, right? If you miss the none here, like you see how J2 it's missing the left child, right? So if you miss the none here, you're actually gonna return both are the same tree. So so in the case that this node does not exist, we need to append none to the nodes array. And finally, we return the nodes array. So now tree 1 and tree 2 are going to be an array of the so tree 1 and tree 2 are both arrays that contain the order of the respective trees nodes in a BFS traversal from left to right. And so all we have to do now is just return if tree 1 equal to tree 2. If this is true, then the trees are equal, are the same. If this is false, then the trees are not the same. So let me just do a quick test run to make sure I didn't mess anything up. Okay, looks good. Let me submit this. And yep, you can see that this this solution was accepted. Thank you all for watching.